Okay, Keith, you can see here, this is coming from a conventionally tilled soil, nothing on the outwheel. It actually didn't run off. So you take this amount of soil, you know, just from this small area, think about how much soil get lost over, you know, thousands of acres. So this is, some people think, you know, it's not real, but it is. We are losing soil, and this soil right here is the more fertile, you know, the most fertile part of the soil. Clay, silt, organic matter. That's what we are losing with soil.
I think the thing that concerns me when I see that much topsoil lost over a period of maybe 30 minutes, it reminds me that in the U.S. alone, we've lost over a third of our topsoil. And when this topsoil is washed away into the creeks and the ditches around this field, that topsoil is gone forever, or as good as forever. It takes approximately anywhere from 100 to 300 years to build up this kind of organic matter in topsoil again. So it's a terrible loss. But here's the reality of where food production, higher costs for food, where that's going.